many mountains to get some confidence? How many debates to earn some tailwind? The years pass, I'm still the same.
Hi everyone, it's Mary Beth. Welcome to my channel. Today I am participating in this Stencil It Up challenge. This is hosted by CeeJ DIY and co-hosted by Krista from Krista's Crafty Life and LaParsha from Creating It Myself. So obviously what we're doing is DIYs where you're going to use stencils, which I love to do. So I've only got 2 DIYs for you. There is a story behind this. I got to tell you, hours of work for 2 quick DIYs. I've had so many problems, but that's okay. At least I was able to get something put together for you. All right, so I got this bucket at the Goodwill for $3.99. And by the way, let me just first say the playlist of all the talented creators will be listed in my description box. And so please make sure to go check everyone out, as well as our co-hosts and our wonderful hosts. I would appreciate that. All right. So I'm goofing around trying to, get the stuff off and, clean it really well. And then I'm going to use elephant. Okay. And, here's where we have some issues. Well, first of all, I had to sand it because some of those paint letters were like puffy paint or popped up. So I sanded it, used elephant, and then I did my galvanized technique. Okay. That is where the footage is on a different SD card, of which I lost. I'm in the middle of moving, so I was panicked. Oh, I'm so sorry. I do have other videos where I do the galvanized technique. That's why I'm going slow here. I'm painting it elephant. I'm going to use black and then a lighter gray, and you basically just pounce the colors on until you get the desired look. It is fun to do, and it's very simple, and I do apologize. I don't have that footage to show you. But here's what it would look like afterwards. And you just go back and forth until you get that look. But those are the colors I use: a darker gray, a lighter gray, and black. Sometimes a little bit of white, and that's it. So there's that. All right. So I got these, this stencil from Michael's, and it's by Folk Art, and it's kind of like the Chocature, and so I really liked this. I do have Chocature also, but I really liked the feel of this one, to be honest with you, a lot. And it cleaned up really, really easily, which I've struggled with Chocature. That's just my 2 cents. I love Chocature. Don't take it wrong, but I was very impressed with this one as well. So they sell them at Michael's. I think that might be the only place other than online. All right. So I thought this was so cute. The fresh market, local goods. So I'm just fit perfectly, by the way. And I do have the bright white paste from Chocature, and it's really beautiful, bright white. And so, yeah, it's real simple. Just, pile it on there and scrape it off. It's so super easy. I really do like it. Now, once I pop the stencil off, I let it dry a little bit, and then I want to sand it because I want it to look a little bit rusticy, but be careful because I didn't want to sand it too hard and sand away my galvanized technique, because then I'd have some Christmas stuff popping through. We didn't want that. So just light. I mean, it was a very, very light sand. I was very careful with it, but I think it turned out so super cute. And all I'm going to do, I thought, oh, fresh market. I have a lot of lemon DIYs coming up for you. So I wanted, instead of florals, I decided to do a bucket of lemons. I also got these lemons from Michael's. And I got 2 different sizes, the larger one and then much smaller one. I thought they were so cute. And this is super easy. So I just cut up some burlap fabric. I have a big roll of it that I've had for a very long time. And I keep using it. I think I got it at Walmart a long time ago. It's a pretty big roll. Anyway, and I stuffed quite a few, bags, grocery store bags or whatever, to build it up. And then, just place the cute little burlap, threw the lemons in, literally just threw the lemons in. And then I have some really cute lemon ribbon, and I just make a simple bow, and I literally tied it onto the handle. So there's no hot glue, nothing. I can easily remove it, use this for something else. I thought it turned out so super cute. Please let me know what you think. I really hope you like it.
And I've come out here to say
as we hold each other tight. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you.
Okay, there it is. I think it's perfect for a kitchen in the summertime. Just brighten it up, and again, you can just switch out things, whatever. I was thinking of using some different fabric rather than the burlap. You saw that there was like a lemon one and a kitchen towel that was yellow and white, but I decided to keep the burlap, but you could totally switch it up. So anyway, we're going to make some coasters, and this is really simple. I'm going to do I'm going to make 4 coasters. Each coaster is going to have 4 sets of 3. You have probably seen this a million times. So that's 16 sets of 3. And then we're going to glue, for one coaster, you're going to take 4 sets and glue them basically together, but kind of reverse, like one's going horizontal, one's going vertical, to make a cute little pattern. All right. Then we're going to paint them in this beautiful color called Farm Fresh by DIY Paint Company, which I really do like DIY Paint Company. I've been using it for years. There's lots of places you can get it. I sometimes buy it straight from Debbie's Design. She has a YouTube channel. That's her company, but other creators sell it too. So anyway, DIY Paint Company. You can easily find it if you're interested. It's a clay-based paint, and I've worked with it for, like I said, many years, and I really like it. Anyway, moving on. So, and of course, we're going to use some stencils that I got at Walmart that I really like. They're not chalk, it's for paint, but they do stick and you can reuse them. So they stick on your piece, you stencil it and you can reuse them. They clean up really easily. So I really do like those. And Walmart, I think, has quite a bit of them. I think it's the Waverly brand, actually. All right, here's a story. After I did this, I tried to build, like, with the little tumbling tower blocks. Ooh, it's hard to say. I tried to build a really cute case. Oh my God. Sometimes you just have DIY catastrophes, okay? And you try. You try to persevere and push through and make it great, and it did not. I mean, literally threw the thing away. It was horrible. So I was running out of time. I lost a whole SD card. I mean, it was just nuts. It was nuts. Anyway, so what I did, and I still thought this was cute. I still wanted to show you the coasters because I really liked the coasters. So I wrapped it with some jute rope, and I thought it turned out cute. However, you can easily make a cute little case or something. When I say case, to put the coasters in. I don't know if that's the right word, but you can easily make one. Lots of people have done it. I apologize. I wanted to show you, and I don't know. It was a mess. I'm moving in literally 6 days. Okay. Well, next Friday, but the movers come Monday, but Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we're going to be moving. So it's a hot mess around Mary Beth's house. Okay. Oh my God. But I cannot wait to show you the new home. I'm thinking of doing an empty home tour and kind of talking about what I want to do. I mean, we all like DIYs. We all like decorating with our DIYs. So I would love your input because we live in a small condo now, and this is a house, and it's not some big, huge house or anything. It's older, but it's perfect for my husband and I. So anyway, and I get a new studio for, my DIYs and filming and everything. So I'm really excited about it. So I'm hoping to bring you better videos with better lighting and all that goodness, but it will take me a little time because it all costs money. Anyways, I'm going to use this cork. I love these cork sheets from the Dollar Tree. I think they're fantastic. I tried to cut it with this cutter. It just really didn't work out, but scissors. It works great with scissors, okay? And I just measured to go on the back, obviously, of the coaster. But I ended up, you want to cut just slightly smaller, not much, slightly smaller, because I didn't want it sticking out, if that makes sense. And the adhesive on these things is very good. I didn't use any other adhesive. And then, of course, we're going to Mod Podge. And I ended up Mod Podging to seal this thing 2 solid thick times because it's a coaster, right? You want to make sure, with the drinks that, what's that called? Oh my God, or it gets wet, you just want to make sure. So this is really short and sweet for you. I do apologize for that. Hey, if you like this video, though, please give me a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And of course, if you're new or coming over the playlist, welcome. I do all sorts of different types of DIYs, and I would just be honored if you considered subscribing to my channel. If you are an existing subscriber, you already know I am so, so, so grateful for you. So thank you for always supporting my channel. I greatly appreciate it. Please bear with me over the next 2 weeks. Oh my goodness. It's going to be crazy, but I promise things will get better. It's just, oh my God, moving. Who hates moving? I'm old, okay? That's why we had to hire movers, because my sons, they've had to help me move several times, and they're like, Mom, we love you. We would do it again. I'm like, no, it's okay. I'll save for movers. Don't worry. The poor kids. Anyway, here's how I'm tying this up. Again, I just, wrapped it. It's easy to slide them in and out. Not a big deal. But again, you can build a case. You can do whatever you want. It would be a cute little gift too. And then I just simply made a little knot, cut it, kind of undid the ends, made it look kind of like a little tassel-y thing, It's not even a word. And there it is. And I think they're so cute. I love the little 5 cents. I love the little cow. And again, you saw the stencil. Absolutely love those Waverly stencils. I highly recommend them. But here it is. Thought I'd show you a few little pictures here. I think they turned out great. Yeah. So thank you. Thank you to CJ for hosting, and our co-host. Greatly appreciate it. Tomorrow I got the 5 under 5 coming out. I hope you join me. Have a wonderful day.